P5 Mathematics Heuristics, working backwards. Let's look at question 1. Dylan harvested some grapes from his orchard. He sold half of the grapes to Mr. Kumar. He then used half of the remaining grapes to make some wine. Lastly, he gave half of the remaining grapes to his parents. In the end, he was left with 39 kilograms of grapes. What was the mass of grapes that he harvested? Let's go through the question together. Dylan sold half of the grapes to Mr. Kumar. Half means 1 part out of 2 equal parts. The denominator, 2 parts, refers to the mass of grapes at first. The numerator, 1 part, refers to the mass of grapes sold to Mr. Kumar. So, in our model, we will draw a rectangle and cut it into 2 equal parts. 1 part out of the 2 parts is sold to Mr. Kumar. Dylan then used half of the remaining grapes to make some wine. Again, half is 1 part out of 2 equal parts. 2 parts refers to the mass of the remaining grapes, and 1 part refers to the mass used to make some wine. Now, the remainder needs to be cut into 2 equal parts. How do we do that? We simply drag down the remaining model. That is, we draw a new rectangle below the remainder and we cut it into 2 equal parts. 1 part out of the 2 equal parts is the mass of grapes used to make wine. Lastly, Dylan gave half of the remaining grapes to his parents. Again, 2 parts refers to the mass of the remaining grapes, and 1 part refers to the mass given to Dylan's parents. The remainder needs to be cut into 2 equal parts again. So, we draw a new rectangle below the remainder of the second model. Then, we cut it into 2 equal parts. 1 part out of the 2 parts is given to Dylan's parents. In the end, Dylan was left with 39 kg of grapes. So, 1 part refers to 39 kg. Working backwards, mass of grapes before giving to his parents is equals to 39 times 2 equals to 78 kg. We have found out 2 parts in the third model, which is equal to 1 part in the second model. Mass of grapes before making wine is equals to 78 times 2 equals to 156 kg. We have found out 2 parts in the second model, which is equal to 1 part in the first model. Mass of grapes at first equals to 156 times 2 equals to 312 kg. Therefore, Dylan harvested 312 kg of grapes.